Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the HEX GS-911. So this is a diagnostic tool that is a must-have for any of the BMW motorcycle owners that are doing maintenance on their own bikes. So it's going to work for street and adventure bikes, and it's going to allow you to read and clear codes. You can also reset your service reminders. You can bleed your brakes with this. It's going to allow you to cycle that ABS pump and get all of the air out of your system. You can even change the display on your screen with this. So there's a lot of different functions with it, but if you're doing your own maintenance on your BMW, it's a must-have tool. It's going to save you time and money from having to go to the BMW dealer. So with that being said, there is some setup. You're going to have to register this to your email and get it set up to your Wi-Fi. Then you just download an app to your phone, and you're going to be able to plug this into your machine's diagnostic port and then use your app along with it. Now you can use this with the machine running or not running. So if you do want to look at some live data, you have the ability to do that, and you can record it as well. Now these are machine specific, so type in your year, make, and model when you go to order this. That way you get the correct one for your bike. Other than that, if you have any questions about the product, leave those down in the comments below. If you need one of these, they're available on our website. So click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, we've got a separate video that shows you how to use this tool and get it set up. So make sure you go check that out and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.